Natasha don dismiss viral video. She say enemies dey at work. Welcome country people to CNOT Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification button. E go give you alert once we drop updates. Make you like, comment, and share our videos. The legal team of Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan don raise alarm as some people come dey use her official mobile telephone number to take impersonate her identity. For one letter when the lawyer wey dey represent the senator wey dey write to the director National Cyber Crime Center, Nigerian Police Force, Diplomatic Drive, Central Business District, Abuja, FCT, when the date 4th of June 2025, they don talk say e don come to their attention say their client, her official mobile phone number, they don clone am and they use am presently to take defraud people, to impersonate our identity. They use the phone number, they make unsolicited calls, and they deliver audio messages when they claim say it come from her. He said this development e not only dey alarming, but also na gross violation of our privacy, and e get the potential to breach national security. The legal team can call federal government make they carry out a full-scale investigation into the matter, make they do forensic analysis of all the suspicious activities when they link to Akpoti-Uduaghan telephone line, so that therefore bring out the people when they do this evil and criminal act. According to our lawyers, they say their client, which is Akpoti-Uduaghan, dey prepared to bring out our phone and relevant communication data, make expert them examine am if the office wanted to do so. The statement when MJ Numa and partners, when the title disclaimer concerning the cloning and authorized use of Senator Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan, dey call on the Director, National Cyber Crime Center, Nigerian Police Force, make they initiate full-scale investigation into the matter. The statement show when Michael Jonathan Numa, SAN, when he signed, they condemn the way they compromise Akpoti-Uduaghan identity and they deceive the public. They say they report them. They collectively they suggest, say he get plan when the enemies them don't organize, make them for compromise Natasha identity, and also make them for deceive people and make them manipulate prominent people for the country as they use her name and reputation. They can say they suspect, say na serious crime, so serious organization now they use tech so to do against their client. They say na clear illustration, say the trial attorneys and transaction advisors, say one Ifedayo Adams Adedipe, SAN, a senior member of the inner bar, he can call the lawyer of Natasha to report one suspicious telephone call when he received from Akpoti-Uduaghan telephone number. He said for the call, the voice for the other end, dey claim say somebody go contact am shortly thereafter. He say also the area commander of the Maitema Area Command, he come also put one call to Natasha, say that they return the call when they earlier received from her number. Numa come say their client e no initiate any of those communications. He say they come also see say they receive call from Mr. Seun Okimbaloye of Channels Television when he confirm say he receive call also from Natasha. Now for there, the caller not only use Natasha number, but also he can use one voice when he resemble her own to show how serious the impersonation does become. Also, the statement can say that they use AI and machine learning to create a near replica of Akpoti-Uduaghan voice, the voice of the former national chairman of the All Progressive Congress, APC, Chief John Odige-Oyegu, Senator Ben Obi, Area Commander, and the Maitama Assistant Commissioner of Police, Olabisi Davis. They don also use Natasha number to call Honorable Emmanuel Ekon of Akwa Ibom State, Ben Obi, former vice presidential candidate, Chief John Odige-Oyegu, former national chairman of APC, and Allen Oyema, chief executive officer of Air Peace. All these people so, they don't use their number to call them too. The law firm come tell Nigerians make dem dey careful with any phone call and audio recording message when e be like say e dey come from Akpoti-Uduaghan. They say why they issue this formal disclaimer so na make people for know, so that any phone call or audio recording or communication when e appear say dey come from Natasha Akpoti-Uduaghan telephone number, or when they claim say e come from her, e say when they not directly verify by herself or through this law firm, make dem know say dem no go take am serious and make dem throw am for corner. Country people, this alarm so when Natasha lawyers don put out, e show say this case of Natasha so e get powerful people wey e really wan ensure say the woman e enter big trouble. That na why the law firm wey dey represent am, when the managing partner na Michael Jonathan Numa SAN, when he sign this message, they call Nigerians attention now to say that they usurp the woman line to do all this evil. And so all these people, when they don't call, and when they purportedly they call the woman, whether they also don't fake their numbers or to complicate matter for the madam, make Nigerians dey on the know. Una see this development.